Hey guys, welcome again to my new video. I hope you all are good and you all are doing great in your life. So again, I come back front of you to take a new video, and today guys, again I will discuss about English language, that how we can learn English. What is the way of learning English? So guys, let's start without any delay, and so let's go. So let's go into topic. So today our topic is like, if you want to learn English, okay, so which kind of practice you need to do? If you are not, if you don't know anything, if you're just a beginner, I can say, you don't know like anything in English, so from where you can start? Okay, so from where you can start? Huh, okay. At a time I was nothing like you. So from where I started from ABCD. Yeah, you will say, like, definitely in your childhood you are studying ABC. Yeah, absolutely right. You are saying right thing. I study, but what's happened? I study from like zero. I can say for revise. I was a study. I didn't like give too much time. Just I study one time. One time I read a good English. Have you heard the name? 30 दिनों में अच्छी अंग्रेजी सीखें, like that. Okay, so that pustak, they like, why I'm suggesting you, first of all, read that book. Okay, on that book. Okay, first of all, he started from zero, basic like ABCD, and he will teach counting. He will teach the elephant name and home appliances, whatever things, and with time he will improve like vocabulary, and he will teach the tenses. Okay, so that's I'm suggesting you. And if you have completed that book, then what is the next step? Next step, you should start reading, reading book. Reading book, because you know guys, a reading book will help you much more. When you will read book, at the time you will feel, and you will realize that you are learning more word. Like when you will read book, at that time you will find new words, and new structure, new phrases. Okay, so through those phrases you can easily learn, you will learn. Okay, so then you should start like, if you want to read grammar, it's okay. If you do, if you only want to speak English, then you should start speaking and as well as listening, and try to speak. Like, you will say, finally you're saying about a speaking practice. Yeah, I'm saying because there are many sentences, short sentences in YouTube. They are uploaded. Okay, so you can watch and you can repeat in your mind. Okay, so you can do these kind of things for like, what is this right now? uh, a fan is okay, so this is a pen, and I use this pen every day. This kind of sentence you can make. This pen price is around 3 rupees. uh, I have a bike key, and you can say I have a copy where I write everything. Like, I make sentences, and you can say whatever like you are doing with your copy. So you can say in this way, and you can say in many way, like, whatever things you are doing right now. Like, you are wake up in the morning, so you can say, I wake up in the morning. I wake up in 6 o'clock. Then you can say, after wake up you are finding your sleeper, so you can say, where is my sleeper? Okay, you can say in this way. And after that you can say, I brush my tooth, I brush my teeth, I wash my face. Okay, and I take a bath. Okay, so I completed my breakfast. Today I eat egg in breakfast. You can say like that. And you will, when you will start making these kind of sentences while like translating, thinking whatever you are seeing around you, so yeah, like you will start thinking in English. Like every time you are thinking something, but you are not thinking in English. So if you will make this kind of practice, so what will be happen? You will, uh, you will think in English. You will start thinking English, and you will start thinking English at the time. Yeah, you will. Well, like if you are translating everything, like whatever you are seeing around you. So and yeah, it's so. Hey guys, you can like you can um, do these kind of things for your English. Okay. So and what is the second thing? You should practice every day. If you are thinking, if you want to learn, and if you are practicing just one day and you to live today, no. There is a word, consistency. If you will practice every day continuously, then some magic will be happen with you. Okay, like you will feel that yeah, I'm learning something. When you will pay consistency at the time, like it's a amazing thing will be happen. Like whatever you are learning, in which field you are, it did not matter. Okay, if you are practicing every day, and like if right now if you practice one day and you will live today, if you will practice for 5 days you live today, no, don't do this kind of things. Practice every day, and practice every day, and you definitely will find large impact in yourself. So bye bye guys, take care. I hope you may like this video, and bye bye.